Today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification panel, and on the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the icon and that's it. And then just to enter the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the item and you'll just launch the Wi-Fi settings, and you can choose one from these available networks. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the Wi-Fi icon and that's it. And the second way, you should just go to the settings application and just tap here to the network and internet section to turn on the Wi-Fi. Tap here once on the switcher and go to this Wi-Fi section, and here just select one from these available Wi-Fi available networks. And for example, we can go with the first one. Now just enter your password here. I'll make it out of screen. And now here, if you want, you can see your password just by tap here to show password. And now just here tap to connect, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And if you want to just select the another network, tap here on the settings icon, tap here to disconnect or to forget, for example, and now just select the another network. And if you want to just turn off Wi-Fi, then tap here again on the switcher and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.